Once there lived an old farmer in a village. He had 4 sons. They were always quarreling with each other. The farmer tried hard to bring unity among them. He would request them to live with love and peace, but they would never listen to his advice. He was always worried about their future. One day, he fell sick. He thought that it was his chance to bring harmony among his sons. So, he called his sons and asked each of them to bring a few sticks. They brought the sticks to their father. The farmer asked one of them to tie the sticks in a bundle. He then asked each of them to try and break the sticks. One by one, all the 4 sons tried to break the bundle, but failed. Then the farmer untied the bundle. He gave one stick to each of them, and asked them to break it. This time, they were able to do it easily. The farmer said, "I just wanted to show you that if you are united, nobody can defeat you. But you keep quarreling among yourselves. You will be easily broken by anyone." The sons learned their lesson, and lived happily with their father thereafter. Moral: unity is strength.